Hellcat.
Hi guys, this is Akash. Today we'll discuss about how to generate fire within us. This is a very complicated matter, but I'll try to make you clear with every fact. First of all, we need to know the reality. The world which we see in Facebook, Instagram or any other social media is not the true world. It is just the imaginary thing. So, the question would arise in your mind, what is reality? Let me explain you. See, for example, a student from a middle class or lower middle class family will generate fire automatically within himself. That's because he would be seeing everything from his childhood. His mother would be sending him to tuitions with the help of her savings. He will see his father working hard to make him study. So these are the factors which will generate fire in him. So you need to know the reality. For example, if I separate you from your family and let me ask you one thing, what is your worth? Your worth will be zero because you are just studying and there is no outcome from your side. So your worth will be zero. When you think this thing, you will get a punch on your face. You will ask yourself, what's my worth? If you're studying now and you study that hard that you make to a tier 1 college, then your life will be set because all the top companies visit those colleges and you will get job for sure if you work hard. On the other hand, if you are unable to secure a good college, then you will not get job that easily. You can get the job. If you want to take the job from these tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, you need to bring fire within you. You need to create the jobs. You will not get jobs handed. You need to work for them. If a tier 1 college student is working for X hours, you need to work for 4X hours. That means you need to work 4 times more than what he did or what he does. I hope you're making the difference. This is the difference between those people and you. But if you work hard, that will become easier for you. And the ultimate way to bring fire within you is to focus on your goals. You need to know your goal. You need to know in what you are good at. That will eventually bring fire within you. So you need to think wisely. You should not think negatively. You should not worry about your future or your past. You should concentrate on your present. And you need to work from them. You need to work for your present. Then ultimately your future will be bright. That's for sure. So, these are the key points to keep in your mind to generate fire within you. If you are able to generate fire within you, then you can achieve anything, mark my words. Your goal may be big. That may seem big to others. But that will be small for you once you achieve it. And you will become a role model for others. You need to imagine yourself like that. You need to see yourself after 5 to 7 years. You need to think where you can be after 5 or 7 years. That will be your success. That will be the ultimate reality. So, go for it. If you have watched this video till end, start from now. Ultimate way to succeed is to start. You need to take the start. It is the most difficult part in your life. So get started, focus on your goals and become successful. Thank you guys.